Thailand has wine. You can believe that. They were selling what they called wine alongside the road, and I figured out it was made out of coconuts. I mean, oh yeah, they got that too, but out of rice. And there's like no way doing rice wine.
Vineyard, a winery tour at 3:15. You want to go for
Yeah, we'll tour. We'll go taste first.
3:15 in 8 minutes tour will start.
Let's go taste first. Yeah, but you can buy the tickets for the next one.
If you would like to taste only wine, you can taste in counter bar inside in a restaurant.
They don't have another tour?
Yeah, just let's just taste after the tour.
So we'll go on the next tour.
Next time we don't have this time, it's
Last tour.
Last tour? Then we gotta go on this tour. We can't taste test. Not in 7 minutes.
Yeah, let's go.
In the tour include three tests for wine tasting. Rosé wine, white wine, and red wine include the tour.
In the tour.
But the first station we tour around the vineyard first, and then visit in the winery, and the last station we taste wine.
The Pirong is here also. Pirong
Cafe, far from here 2 kilometers.
Should take care of it.
Princess.
They put us in the back row where you send all the bad school children.
Variety for big one. 3 for red wine, half Shiraz or Shiraz. Import from Festival.
Okay, I can't understand a word she says, so I guess I'll do my own video here. And you know, those are the storage tanks and so forth. And this is early, you got the windows in them so they can tell when they first start. And as you know, Missouri used to be the biggest winemaker in the world. Oh my. And they are full. I don't know if I'm supposed to be in here. Nope, guess not. But you can see the copper kettles. And of course, these will be the good ones. Not really very many. But as you saw, the fields were very new. And see, these are empty. Totally empty. Now we're starting to smell it. It's 60 degrees in here. Empty. They need to give us a drink right out of this pipe. These have wine in them all the way to the top. These are full, and these are all empty. And here we have the bottling line. 60 degrees in here.
Like you see now. This will be imported the barrel from France, America. Different smell. French old barrel and American barrel different smell. French
You can see.
Like a white flower, red rose, and American old barrel smells stronger smell. Like a roasted walnut, coffee.
I have no idea, and because I do not believe for 1 second that the brand new sticker is 66. It's gotta be the lot number, because I can't get 12,866, say no way. But anyway, we're on our way. Alright, we saw the real stuff. You can see the big stuff right there. Alright, right there, that is the real. Where they got the real vats, not the little ones for the tourists. And these, nice arbor. You can see that's older. This ought to be interesting. The show won't like any of it. I don't understand the dog following. The fields are quite big, really. They're watering them. Why would you have to water anything with 136 inches of... These are older. You see what they do is they cut them off. See the size of the stem? See it? And then they whack them. So these, oh, look at these. These are old. See the size? place is quite large, actually. We're driving around, and we've gone in a big circle. We got mountains here, mountains there, and mountains over here, so you might say we're in Yang Ye Valley.
Khao lại.
Oh, okay. I gotta talk. Okay, we're in Thailand. We're in the dry season, actually. But they have way too much rain, which you can't have rain. Can't have rain on your grapes. So everything has to be perfect. So they actually put up plastic. Amazing. I've never heard of such a thing. Anyway, well, she does her selfies. Never heard. I mean, this is going to be huge. Before harvest, they have to cover it up. The restaurant. So here we are in the restaurant. Of course, it's very early. They got a pizza. Look like an awesome pizza. Nice view, the weather's good. Still November, almost December. The weather is awesome. In a couple hours, you'll be able to set out here. It'd be pretty nice. It's 4:30, a little bit early on a Wednesday. Can I show your pizza?
Yeah, please.
And there's what the pizza looks like. Looks pretty
Wow.
good.